Namaste. My name is Jigar Talati and I am principal designer of Alfie Mixers. Today I am going to explain you about the working and features of the Alfie 3 mixer. Alfie 3 stands for a mixer of 3 liter mixing capacity, and Alfie mixers are ideally useful for uniform powder mixing, and this works on the kinematic inversion principle. That means mixer doesn't rotate but it inverts. So I'll brief you about the major part of the mixing machine. This is how the Alfie 3 mixer looks like. The front is called a safety guard, which is made out of plexiglass, which is openable this way. There is a collection tray at the bottom, so which can collect accidental seepage which can be slipped by the mixing purpose. This is called as a mixing cage. This is called a mixing cage arm. These two are the mixing shafts. The container is fitted using this kind of rubber band. The rubber bands are made out of silicone material. So the rubber band can be removed by this way, and the drum can be easily brought out this way. This is a standard mixing drum which we supply, which is of 3 liter capacity, which can be used smaller mixing drums also. And by twisting this motion, you can accommodate any smaller size or shape of the container. As you can see, you can put even a smaller vial or test tube also. So this feature comes with the machine for a smaller drum mixing capacity. The mixer has its own base frame. It has its anti-vibration mount, which are used mainly for leveling purposes. This mixer runs on a single phase power. It is built with lifelong maintenance free design. That means it has no belt, no chain, or none of the bearings need relubrication. These are lifelong sealed and lubricated bearings. We have this kind of operator. By pressing this button, you can start the machine. The touchscreen will start when the power is given to them. This is the touchscreen which is used for machine operation purpose, and this is the home screen which will show you when you press a home button. The machine will have 4 working modes. You can operate manually, you can have recipe based operation, there is an option for inching purpose, and there is an option for the maintenance purpose. So in normal cases we go for a manual operation. So when we press the manual button, we will have machine operating parameters. We can change the machine mixing time in the forward direction, we can change mixing time in the reverse direction, and we can set the mixing speed. So once we set all these 3 parameters, we have to press start button to run the mixing machine. And you can see the mixer is now working for the same operation. To stop the machine, we press the stop button. Every machine is supplied with this kind of serial nameplate and a QR code. So QR code is a place where the documents for this machine are placed on the web server. So scanning this, the customer can get the all instruction manual, its operating video, its warranty certificate, and all other documents required for long-term use of the machine.